We have already spoken about variables, but we would like to connect variables and the print function. So what does it mean? So for example, I have a variable first name and there is a stored string David. And I would like to print something like this. Your first name is David, but I would like to replace David with the first name, okay, because there can be anything, David, Harry, Ron, and so on and so on, okay. So how we can do that? So if I run this, okay, it will print your first name is David because it is this text, but it doesn't work with the variable first name, right? So we need to store or write the first name here, but you can write it like this, first name, because if we will run it, you will see your first name is first name because it goes like string. Python will see it like normal string, normal letters, and so on. So we can do that, and we can use plus sign and write first name like this, okay. I will clear it and run the code, and your first name is David, okay. So your first name, this is the space, it means this space, and first name is David, and David is here. So if I will write here, for example, Harry, and I will run it, your first name is Harry, okay. And that's very important. We have the second option, and the second option is called f string, okay, something like this, f string. So we can use print, and we will write the letter F, okay, before. And now the Python knows that this is the F string, and you will write your first name is, and between these quotes you will just use these brackets, and you can write a variable here, okay. So you will write first name, and you can see if I will run it, okay, your first name is Harry, your first name is Harry. So these two lines are absolutely the same. And we will use f string in the latest course, in the latest videos, because it's a modern way how to connect variable and the string, okay. So it's called f string. Again, we can write something like second name, okay. I will write my second name. You can write your second name if you want, and again print f, and your second name is, and second name, okay, and your second name is, and this will be the content of the variable, of the second name variable, okay. It means static. So I will run it, I will erase this, okay. Maybe I will comment it out, okay. So we have only the f strings here, and I will run it, and your first name is Harry, your second name is static, okay. And that's it. That's why we need f string, because it's very good if you want to connect text and variable. And of course you can connect more text and more variables. For example, your full name is, I can write it like first name space, okay, and second name, okay. And I will run it. Your first name is Harry, it is this line. Your second name is Setek, is this line, and your full name is Harry Setek, okay. It is this line, okay. So here we have the f string, and f string will be very important for us in the future videos.